what's up everybody? I'm Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my homemade Creole Split Pea soup with shrimp. Now, there's a lot of great things about this dish. It has no meat in it. Two, you can also make it with or without the seafood, whichever way, it'll still taste good. It has lots of fiber, lots of protein, and it's also one of my favorite dishes. I can eat this every single day. Really, it's really good. This recipe calls for about 8 to 10 servings, and not only is this a great fall and winter dish, keeps you warm, but it's absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your Creole split pea soup with shrimp. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of split green peas, 2 pounds of fresh Louisiana shrimp, unsalted butter, sugar, tomato paste, and for your seasonings, you'll need some salt, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. You can also use Chachere Creole seasoning or Sappi Mama Cajun seasoning, Chef Paul Prud'homme's Vegetable Magic, and I'll have the links to where you can purchase these in the description box. And for your additional seasonings, you will need 1 yellow onion, some garlic. You will also need some dried oregano, dried basil, dried thyme, and some bay leaves. And there we have it.
Alright, let's get straight to it. We're going to go ahead and get started by chopping up a half of a yellow onion. Alright, here we have 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to chop that up until it is minced. Alright, we're going to add our split peas onto a plate here. And what we're going to do is we're going to sort these split peas just to make sure that there aren't any unwanted particles or any bad split peas, or if any of them are cracked, anything. You just want to remove those. And once done, you could just add that into a strainer. Alright, now we're going to rinse these split peas off with cold water. Make sure you rinse them off really good. Alright, let's get started with our shrimp here. We have a shrimp. We're going to take the shrimp head and place it off of one bowl. And we're going to peel off the shell off of the shrimp tail. And we're going to take the shell and place that in the one bowl, and take the shrimp tail and place that into a separate bowl. Alright, now we're going to cut out the back of the shrimp. We're going to remove the shrimp's digestive tract, which is that little black string right there. Just going to go ahead and pull that out. And that's simple. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp tails into a strainer. And we're going to rinse the shrimp tails off with cold water. Now once done, place it in the bowl and place it in the refrigerator. Alright, we're going to go ahead and preheat our fire to medium-high heat. Alright, in a large pot, we're going to go ahead and add 3 quarts of water right on in there. And we're going to add our shrimp heads and shells right on in there. And for y'all seasoning, you're just going to add about 1 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. We don't want too much of seasoning because we're going to add a little bit more seasoning once we make the split pea soup. Now we're giving that a quick stir. And now we're going to go ahead and cover this. Now you could leave it uncovered if you like. And we're going to let this simmer for 45 minutes. Alright y'all, it's been about 45 minutes now. And our shrimp stock is done. Look at that. It's beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and turn our fire off. Now we're going to add this shrimp stock with the heads and shells into a mesh strainer with a medium-sized bowl underneath it. And this is how it looks when we're done. That's about 2.5 quarts of shrimp stock. Now we're going to preheat our fire to medium-high heat. Alright, in a large saucepan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salted butter. And we're just going to spread that butter around the bottom of our pot. And we're just going to let that melt. Alright, now we're going to add the whole half a yellow onion. That's about 1 1/2 cups exactly. And 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. And we're going to let this saute for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add 2 1/2 quarts of shrimp stock right on in there. And to that, we're going to add our split peas from the strainer to the pot right on in there. Now let's add some seasoning. We're going to sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Vegetable Magic, 1/4 teaspoon of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 4 bay leaves. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Make sure you stir that really good. Make sure you taste it to see if it's at your desired taste. Now you can add more seasoning. Alright, we're going to cover this and we're going to let this simmer for about 35 minutes. Alright, it's been about 35 minutes now, and as you can see, our mixture has cooked down some. Looks wonderful. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of tomato paste. And to that, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is just to cut the acid, okay? Make that 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we're going to take a whisk and we're just going to stir this. The reason why we're using the whisk because we want to break up that tomato paste in there, right? Now we're going to go ahead and cover this. I'm going to let this simmer for 5 minutes. Right, it's been about 5 minutes now. Now we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp tails right on in there. Just dump it all in there. Now we're just going to give this a quick stir. This is not going to take long at all, alright? Well, that's looking beautiful and it smells wonderful. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and cover this. We're going to let this simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, y'all, it's been about 4 to 5 minutes now. And this is it, y'all. Our split pea soup with shrimp is now done. And y'all can remove those bay leaves out of there too. Now you're going to turn your fire off. Now for some quick tips, your soup will thicken as it cools, which is normal, of course. The flavors will taste better the very next day, as the flavors will settle and increase overnight. Here is the final presentation, and there y'all have it. Creole split pea soup made by New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including this one, www.charliethecookandrews.com. Alright, and you can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Can't wait.
Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Now, when I serve this, I normally serve this with a little bit of rice, similar like my gumbo. I only serve it with a little bit of rice because I want the full effect of the soup. I don't want the starch in it. There's too much starch in it. And I also like to serve it with a slice of whole grain bread, which I make my own from scratch, of course. All right, now. Look at that. Amazing. Man, this is great. I'm telling y'all, the flavor of the shrimp, absolutely wonderful. Has a right balance of seasonings in it. When it comes to my soups, I don't really put too much of seasonings. I just add a little bit so it could just balance out. Really, really good. Really good. So, give it a try. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And until next time, have a good one. Peace. It's another idea I like to do. Take my bread, dump it in there, and eat it.